We are going to be unboxing this solar power bank. This is a paid sponsored video. I'm going to open this up and see what we get inside. Of course, you get a little user manual. It comes with a little lanyard there. That is your micro USB right there, that charger. Oh, this is nice, rugged and durable. This has like a shock absorption case on it. Looks like we got a cable right here on the side. That is a USB-C. Got one on this other side. That is a lightning cable right there. There's a little flashlight right there, I guess you can turn on. Look at that. There's a little compass as well. And the sun and whatnot should charge this thing when you leave it out and about. If you're camping, obviously, this would be a great device to have. Let's see what else it can do. Let's see how to turn this thing on. Power button on this thing is right here. There we go. We got power. You can see that it is pretty much fully charged right there. Okay, so here's your power button right there. Just push the power button, hold it down. If we hold the power button down, our LED flashlight will come on. All right, you hold this down again, and the LED flashlight will turn off. Okay, you just push the button once, you'll get your indicator lights right up here to show how much is actually charged in this power bank. Right there in the middle, you have your USB-C. On each side, you have your USB-A types, and then you have your micro USB for charging right there. You have these cables right here built into the side so that you can use these for charging and whatnot. Of course, you have your flashlight, have a compass, and you have a charging area right there. So that is pretty cool. And right here, those are your solar panels to charge it. Put that out in the sun and let that fully charge your device. Take this with you on a trip. Leave it in your car in case you have problems in your vehicle. That way you always have some kind of power. All right, again, this is the solar charging bank with 3 cables, 4 ports, a wireless charging, compass, and a flashlight.